everyone. Today I'm gonna make a cookie pizza and I've got two helpers, Chloe and Thea. Let's go. Thea. So first we're gonna put the brown sugar, put this in here. And the white sugar into a mixing bowl, and then we're going to put in some melted butter as well. And then we'll use this. That's what we use. And hook it on. And 1 and 2. We're gonna put in the egg and vanilla. And then we mix it. So now we're gonna put in the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Okay then. Now put it in the machine. Now we're gonna fold it together. Into the mixer, dump it on. Now we're gonna fold it up. Down. Okay, now put the tin over. Now we're gonna put the batter into the tin by magic. 3, 2, 1. And you two, Thea? 1. Ding! Now we're gonna put this into the oven. When we do the rest of. So we're gonna cook it at 180 degrees for about 12 minutes. And then we gotta let it cool completely before we do the fun part, decorating. You might need a grown-up to help. I'm not a grown-up. Okay, hi everyone, we're back. Now we're gonna decorate the giant cookie like a pizza. And first, we're gonna spread peanut butter on it by magic. 3, 2, 1, and ding! Okay, now we're gonna decorate it with all the rest of the stuff. Let's decorate! Yes! Okay, what do you do first? I don't know, whatever you want, but probably go for the marshmallows. Okay. Okay, time to go. And I want to put some lights on. I wish I could eat some oreos. Well, you can soon. Really, of course I could. Okay, that is finished. Now we get to do the best part, eating. Not yet. Okay, it's time to eat. Well, this is really heavy. Oh man, my spinach. Best cookie ever. I could get 100 grams. That is delicious. I'm glad I had this. Okay, see you next time. We're gonna dig into the sandwich.